Hello everyone, welcome to class. Join me as we make this beautiful Zara cap. And for this Zara cap, we'll be making use of ashoke. I will be needing 3 strands. Each strand measured 28 inches each. And as you can see in this video, I've already joined my ashoke together. Join it together and set it aside. The next measurement for our rows is 40 inches length. 40 inches. We'll set that aside also. The next measurement is 22 inches length. This one we'll be using to make our rabbit ear. Set it aside also. Then the next thing here is our marco. For those that don't know what marco is, you can get it from those that sells shoemaking materials. And our marco measures 18 inches by 3. The measurement is already displayed on the screen. We'll be needing our foam too. Our foam measures 22 inches by 2.5, as you can see, and I'm using the 1/2 inch foam. Then this is a lining just to wrap my foam around so that by the time I'm inserting it into the ashoke, it will not tear. So set that aside. It's just to cover and wrap the foam around. Then the next measurement for our loop is 24 inches. We'll set that aside. Now we're going to get our marco, get the middle point, also get the middle point of the ashoke, leaving like an inch allowance to for sewing. So you can see what I'm doing. You can pin it down so that it will not start moving from one place to the other. Pin it down to secure it. Then take to your sewing machine and sew it round.
To hold a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share. As
you can see in this video, I've already sewn it and I secured the edge to the edge of the marco. The next thing we'll be needing is our elastic. I will insert the elastic inside the ashoke. Please not on the marco, just inside the ashoke and stitch it down. You are going to do this to both sides. I've already done that. As you can see, I've stitched it down. The next thing we are going to do now is we want to join it together. You are going to drag your elastic, both elastic, drag it down very well, then stitch it down. Take it to your sewing machine and stitch it down. I've already done that. Now is for us to join our ashoke. Join it down and trim off the excess. After trimming it off, you can take to your weaving machine and weave it so that it will not frail and loose. I've already weaved my own, and the next thing I want to do here is to run my gathers. Please do not run your gathers from the band. You can see where I start my gathers from, just at the top of the band. Run your gather stitch.
In this crazy life we live, we all
now our Zara cap is ready. Now it's time to cover our foam with the lining. Just watch the way I will do it. I will sew it straight down, then set it aside. Then for the loop, just hem the 2 edges of your ashoke. Turn it to the wrong side, fold it and sew down. As you can see, I have done that. Pick up your foam, place it on it and stitch it together. Pick up your foam, place it on it and stitch it together.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share.
You will stitch it together just at that point.
Let's show we care. Through things
I've done that. The next thing we'll be doing is to turn it turn the foam, to push the foam inside, and we can do this with the help of our scissors. It is very, very fast. Turn it out and use your hand to smoothen it so that it can lay flat. I have done that. After doing that, close that place. Pick up your material for the rabbit ear. Fold the two edges in. Close it together like this. Then sew it round. Sew it round. Then this is for the rose. Just pick the two edges and sew it down. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to form our rabbit ear. Watch closely and see how the rabbit ear is formed. This is very, very easy. Pick it together, hold it together in the middle, and use your needle and thread to stitch it. Then pinch the middle together a bit and also stitch it together. Pinch the middle together a bit and stitch it together. Wow, you can see our rabbit ear is formed. We are going to glue our loop to the Zara cap with the help of glue gun. I've already plugged my glue gun and it's very, very hot. Just apply your glue gun on the Zara cap and place your loop neatly on the Zara cap. Now it's time to form our rose. For those of us that are familiar with pleating fan, I believe you understand this very, very well. Just watch carefully how I form my rose.
In this crazy life we live,
if you have watched this video to this level, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help us to comment, like and share to get more notification anytime we drop new video. Thank you.
Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storm.
As you can see, our farm is formed. So from the end of the fan, gradually roll it in. Just exactly what I'm doing in the video. Gradually roll it in and secure it with your needle and thread under the rose. Under. Please do not allow your thread to show. You do this neatly and gradually.
All the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like and love our video. I'm done forming the rose and this is the outcome. Then get your rabbit ear and attach the two together. Wow. With the help of your glue gun, you are going to stick it behind your Zara cap. You can also secure with your needle and thread. Thank you for staying with us. I love you. And this is the end result of our beautiful Zara cap with rabbit ear. Love you all. Bye.